National Park Service Arrowhead logo followed by a U.S. map with trail route marked in purple from Nauvoo, Illinois to Salt Lake City, Utah.
30 minutes drive southeast of Nauvoo, Illinois, and 2 hours west of Peoria is the town of Carthage and the historic Carthage Jail.
A 2.5-story building made of rectangular tan stones behind a black metal fence.
This restored stone jailhouse lies at the intersection of North Fayette and Walnut Streets and was the site of one of the pivotal events in the history of the Mormon Pioneer National Historic Trail.
A life-size bronze statue of 2 men in a brick courtyard.
In June of 1844, the nearby town of Nauvoo was prosperous and thriving, but distrust and uneasiness grew among its people.
6-panel window with white curtains pulled open reveals a view of green grass and trees along a fence-lined walkway.
Criticism, published in a local newspaper, led to the destruction of its printing press and the issuing of a warrant for the arrest of Joseph and Hiram Smith.
Cast in bronze, one man stands behind another with a hand placed on his shoulder and one on his arm. Both wear short dress coats and cravats.
The two brothers eventually turned themselves in and were taken to Carthage Jail. Here they were held without bail as they awaited trial.
The doorway secured with metal bars, 2 rings with iron keys.
On the night of June 27th, an armed mob stormed the jail. Both Hiram and Joseph were shot and killed in the attack.
Wood panel door with bullet hole.
Today, visitors can hear the story as they walk through the jail on a guided tour and at the site's visitor center. The Carthage Jail is operated by the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints and is open daily throughout the year.
Rooms with period furnishings and decor, one a jail cell with stone walls.
Include a trip to this pivotal location as you visit the historic sites of Nauvoo and explore the Mormon Pioneer National Historic Trail. For more information, including directions, visit go.nps.gov/Carthage Jail.
Mormon Pioneer National Historic Trail logo of steer's skull on an orange triangle.